guess he's trying to get into my good graces.
Wait, him start home about the center them? Monday.
Amor,
Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Oh, she like it.
where are you?
Me never say nothing, I say, but hope she like it. One got under your back now. Be safe on the gravel.
Alright.
I always think me born yesterday. Or other. You tell him say they here, right?
Ooh.
Nobody, Vanessa. No one.
Hello, people. It's Arthur.
I'm here.
Hey,
Hey, what's up?
what are you wearing? Is that Savage?
You know a cool one.
Yes, I do.
I'm going to my room. Bye.
So, what one? Alright.
I'm good. Take a seat. You have to tell me about this big woman daughter that you have.
Yeah. Pride and joy, you know?
So, when did this happen?
12 years ago.
So, you've been busy being fruitful and multiplying, I see.
Well, you know it go. Legacy have to live on though.
Hmm. Yes, I agree. So, what's the relationship like between the both of you?
Well, like me tell you, I'm a pride and joy. Very, very close. If you see her, you'd think I'm a twin.
Hmm. I can imagine a real daddy's girl, right? And the mother? You can stop me if I'm going too far.
Oh man, that good. But the mother not in our life. So, I mean, I feel do what I have to do.
And the stepmom? I mean, you must give credit where credit is due. She has to be in the child's life. She's in yours.
That's a whole different story.
Hmm. Is there trouble in paradise?
That's why you asked me to come over here.
You're right. No. I just wanted to see you. It's been a while.
Oh, yeah. Just I realized say about 2 weeks now in a week. You know, I told me they find the work.
Well, I've been pretty busy too, but you can't be too busy for friends. You know, I was thinking of coming to see Tonyan, and if you're not busy, we could chat, hang out.
Well, I'm not busy at the moment, so what do you want to talk about? Can we meet her one day?
Yeah, I'd love that.
Chris, Benjamin, please. The laptop turned on.
Location.
Moby. Vanessa? We have a class, but we never remember. Forgot teach.
Yeah, and we're kind of late.
Oh, that's cool, guys. I totally understand. But can I come?